Hello.
Hi, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
Yes. She's in there.
Is you less probation or
Huh? She
who
brought her
lost
statement.
probation?
I-
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Okay. So we need to talk to you first?
Yeah. She just admitted to taking $13,000 in deposits.
Okay. So who am I talking to? Or?
Hi.
Hi.
She's gonna go to jail. No, Miranda. She can't pay the money. She's gonna go to jail. I just didn't want her to buckle up. You didn't know anything about it. Yeah. So this is his district manager. I've been working with him, validating that the deposits never made it to the bank. She just admitted she needed that money for family emergencies. So you can go talk to her if you want.
And how many deposits?
6 deposits.
6 separate deposits?
Mhm.
Oh, she was supposed to make like the cash deposits to the
Okay,
bank
yeah.
and she didn't?
She kept the money.
Okay. And well, when did it start? Like what is
She
it?
said in May, right? Around May.
So between May and now,
Mm-hmm.
you guys are going to press charges on her?
Yeah, we have to.
I don't make that decision.
I'm sorry?
I don't make that decision.
The company requires us, DMs and us to
Okay.
prosecute
And,
if they can't pay it back and she can't pay it back. So we give her both options here.
And you guys have like some kind of a record that she was supposed to make that?
Yeah, the bank
Deposit.
deposits, yeah, the validation from the bank, yeah. But she's gonna.
Did you lock the door?
We need a key to get.
Hey, sweetheart. How you doing?
Good. Hey.
What's going on? No, you don't know?
They said they weren't going to have you arrested.
No.
I said that I didn't know where it was gonna go, right? Mm-hmm. That's what I said. So I'm waiting for the reply. But right now, you have to talk to him. Miguel has no idea because he's never been on one of these with me. So he knows that it was a possibility that the police was gonna get called, but it's a requirement, one of the two, like I told you when we were talking. But I'm still waiting for the phone call back.
Okay. Well, I'm not going to get into it unless you guys are telling me you're
No,
going to press
right
charges.
now we have to proceed.
Alright, so you will press
yeah.
charges?
For
Okay.
now, yes.
No, it's not for now. It's a
No,
yes
I'm
or
saying
no.
yes.
Miguel just told me no.
Miguel doesn't know anything about that. You told me to get out of the room so you can speak to him. Had I
Right.
been in the room, I would have corrected him. He doesn't know anything about that.
Alright. You got like a photo ID or something?
Yeah.
No, stay here. Stay here.
Yeah.
Don't worry
My
about it.
wallet's right
Don't worry
there.
about it. You're not going to go.
I'm not going nowhere. My wallet's right behind you.
It's fine. Okay.
On the bottom, in the gray basket. Oh. No, under the pillow maybe. Up there under the pink pillow. It's a Michael Kors wallet.
That one, the gray one?
Yeah. No. It's a Michael Kors wallet. Yeah. Oh.
And what do you do here?
Store manager.
You're the store manager? How long have you worked here?
With Dollar General almost 7 years.
7 years? Okay.
Been here in the store almost 3.
Okay. So, the reason we're out here, they're accusing you of failing to make cash deposits.
Right.
I don't have the exact amount right now, but they're saying around
They just
six deposits, around $13,000. Okay.
He just assured me that I wasn't going to go to jail.
He doesn't know. That's what I was telling you. When you told me to get out of the room, you X me out of the conversation, I would have
Right.
corrected him because I
Alright.
told you from the beginning,
So,
if you couldn't pay it back, that would be.
alright. I'm gonna have to speak to her. We're gonna go outside.
Okay.
We're gonna close the door. I need like 5 minutes. It's up to you. You want the door stay open or closed?
You can leave it open. I don't care.
Okay. I mean, that's what they're alleging. I'm gonna give you an opportunity to speak for yourself if you choose to or not.
I just did. They told me I wasn't going to go to jail.
I'm sorry.
They told me I wasn't going to go to jail.
Okay. Well, I'm here now, so you know they have their accusations. So I have to address them. But since you're accused of
This is a statement here that she wrote.
all right, well I'll look at that later. So
I knew they were tricking me.
at this point, because you're accused of a crime, in order for me to get into it further with you, I have to basically advise you of your rights before that. You do have the right to remain silent.
Can we do this outside, Miguel? Please. Can we do it outside?
She walks outside.
I don't want to.
Do what outside?
You're gonna arrest me. Is he gonna arrest me?
Okay. You want me to finish reading your rights, or
Can we just do it outside, please?
so? If you don't allow me to finish reading your
No,
rights,
you can
then I'm
finish.
not.
Go ahead.
Okay. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. Okay. You do have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one will be appointed for you without a charge. Okay. Now, if you do decide to speak to me, and at some point you change your mind, you're free to do that. You can all questioning will be stopped at that point. Okay. Now, understanding your Miranda rights, do you wish to speak to me about this matter?
Like answer your questions?
Yeah.
Yeah.
About
Yes.
say yes. Okay. So what's going on with this deposit? They're basically saying that there were 6 deposits. I don't know the exact amounts, but you were supposed to make cash deposits to the bank and you
Right.
didn't. Is that
Well, I had to pay for my mom's funeral, my brother's funeral, and everything.
okay? So is this something that the store manager does, like does cash deposits
No.
to the bank?
Oh yeah. All the managers do.
Okay, so how often do you do that? Like, how long do you guys hold that cash? And
Every
then,
day, I'm supposed to go to the bank.
So every day you go
Yeah.
to the bank with
The
cash
pre-nice deposit. Yeah.
Okay. And when did this start? When did you first?
For my mom's
Fire
funeral.
inspector, Sanford
So
Fire
it was just around your mom's
Department,
funeral. When was
there's
that?
an opening in Knox
April.
box. I just wanted to
3
notify
months
you
ago,
that
4 months ago.
So you just did it in April, 6 times.
An alarm. It's at
There's only 4.
120 Maritime.
There's only
The name of
4.
the business is called
And
Real Street.
what would you say the average amount was?
They vary. Sometimes it went the deposit went 1,500, 3,000, depending how busy we were.
Okay. So you're only saying that it was 4 deposits, not 6?
Hello.
Do you agree that it was around $13,000 or?
I don't know the total. I
Okay.
was in like 10.
Alright. So you're saying, from what you recall, it was like 4 deposits, about
No,
$1,500
10.
each.
Yeah, I don't know the exact total. They have it. Because she said she has it.
Okay. And how did they find out? Or how did it?
She said she's investigating for 2 weeks.
Okay. Let me see what you wrote. Did you write this statement? You did? So you guys do you have anything to present me okay, this deposit was supposed to be for this much?
I was trying to get that ready when you told me to leave the room.
You
I
need
was trying to
visible
put it in front for a second.
I mean, usually people have that ready when we get here, so.
Temporary back subject can be a lateral walker currently on
Can I
probation.
call my daughter? Can I answer my daughter?
I'm sorry?
Can I answer my daughter?
No, not right now. I'm not gonna make any phone calls.
I'm gonna have to call her and tell her to pick me up.
I'm sorry?
I'm gonna have to call her and tell her to come get me.
Yeah, I don't want you making any phone calls right now.
Okay.
We'll figure that out later. So those 6, 1, 2, 3.
It's only the last 4. It's only the 31, the 15, 22, and 25. It's only those last 4 right there.
And this one also is missing.
So which one are you saying that?
It's only the last one.
The last 4?
Like 1,500, yeah.
like from the
She says-
22,
Yep.
11 to the 14, she says.
Yes.
11 to the 14. Well, that happened in April, or
It's what they call rolling deposits. So they'll just take it and then pay it back whenever they're able to, so they don't have it. So they keep taking the deposit from the next day to pay that one. It keeps going and going until they lose track.
so.
What did they say about midterm to agree make payments that they won't arrest me?
Who said that to you?
Miguel promised me I wouldn't go to jail.
Well, Miguel doesn't do these investigations. He's there as a support.
And you said if you write this out, we can
Going on 3010 old. Wheeler,
I'm
Walker,
not
black
tricky.
tail,
I
thin,
didn't say that to you at all.
build, flashing, wearing
I
black
said to
shirt,
you from the
black
beginning
pants, vest on,
that I don't have a say
old
in that.
George Reagan.
So for those
Gonna be a loop
deposits,
student
but
parent
this
has been
son,
notified.
and she's the only one
1043,
responsible
different
for all
cruise,
this
11 winners.
is 10.
That's 4. The other ones
With
are
the-
there.
So the one for the 9th hasn't been paid back yet. The one from the 9th
Alright,
hasn't
so-
been paid back yet. And then the other 4
It's only
hasn't.
4. It's only 1531. It's only 4.
So you're saying, so what you're owning up to is this one, this one, this one, and that one,
Yes. The ones are
not
there.
that one or that
No.
one. Okay.
This guy's the end. Unless it's on the phone. That's $10,000. 355.98. No, the 4 that you said. That's $10,000. 355.98.
All right. So
She's the
are you able to email this whole thing, or okay?
Something about ballpark.
I'm
Can
sorry.
you guys just give me a court date and I'll take you to jail?
Well, this is a felony amount. We
Right.
can't do a court date for a felony amount.
He just promised me he said you're not gonna go to jail, I promise you.
Definitely.
He said if I agree to pay it back.
So I'm the
And
investigator.
then really under that
He's
I
here
agree
to
to pay it back.
support me to be a witness of the conversation.
I gotcha.
So he can't make promises or anything like that, unfortunately.
So just
During the course of your investigation, ma'am, did Miguel make that statement that if she provided a statement and agreed to restitution that she would not be placed under
I was
arrest?
asked,
Ye-
so I was asked to leave the room.
Okay,
She wanted to speak to him one-on-one.
but you're the one conducting the investigation.
Correct.
So if you're,
He's my district manager.
he's the supervisor.
For her, yeah,
For
but
her.
I oversee the stores when it comes to cash staff or
Okay.
that stuff.
You
Yeah.
can
Okay.
ask him.
Okay. Can we call Miguel back in here? Do you have a way? Okay.
He just told me to
Unfortunately, he's
come.
not allowed to make those decisions.
I understand, ma'am,
Yeah,
but
I'm just
you
saying
guys, if you're conducting an investigation as a sub law enforcement type entity, then you should know that you cannot make that type of a statement because now you've put her under duress.
I did it.
And well, even if he did it, unfortunately, you've tainted your own investigation. If you're the one in control, then you should have never agreed to leave the room. And that's what I need to get very clear because I'm not going to trample over her civil rights because somebody else did. So-
It was all just to pay my mom my brother's funeral. He just died.
I understand.
He just told me that if I write it, I wouldn't go to jail.
Understand that regardless of what statements are made, right, that is for you to dispute with a lawyer. As far as we are concerned, you have now committed the act of grand theft. That is a felony. We have no choice. We must make an arrest and we must take you in. They are the entity representing the business and they are requesting that we take law enforcement action against you. That is our position on it, okay? Regardless of whether we think that their investigation went right or wrong. As far as we are concerned, we are going to conduct our investigation in the proper
Right?
order, okay? Was she Mirandized?
Where's the
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, can we call him? Do I just need to come out here and call him?
I mean, I read that statement, but we're not going to use it. The watchmaker.
Yeah, we will not use that. They can use that. Excuse me, ladies. Can somebody get me Miguel?
Okay, one second. On the somewhere.
Okay, just when he's available. Sir, are you Miguel?
Yeah.
And are you her supervisor normally? Okay, so she's made the statement to us that she was told that if she provided a statement that you guys would not pursue prosecution as long as you did make that statement to her. Okay. I just need to clarify that.
I'm here because I was trying to save her. You
Yeah,
know what I mean?
yeah, I understand.
The other lady is lost prevention.
Yeah,
So she's gonna do her thing.
yeah.
I was trying to, at least, if she was willing to cooperate,
Yes.
I was assuming that loss prevention was going to
Yeah.
take that into consideration and accept,
Mm-hmm.
you know, like a deal, you know?
Yeah.
But it looked like she,
Yeah, unfortunately. Okay. Those kind of deals. So because of that, do you have ID so we can just document that we spoke with you and that statement? She's alleging that statement was made, and so as far as we are concerned, we can't accept any of this because it was all done under duress and under a false pretense. She was coerced, essentially. You've made false pretenses that she wouldn't go to jail, and we have nothing to do with that.
Yeah.
But as far as we just need to document that this is the allegation that she's making, and that we properly read her Miranda, and we let her know that anything that she states to us after this point, can and will be used against her. So I just need your ID, and that was all.
no, I don't know where to provide my ID. I don't have to, I haven't committed any crime.
You're part of the investigation as the authorized representative and as her supervisor who brought her in here. You are now part of the investigation.
You can raise your tone.
I'm not raising my tone at all, sir. I've only spoken with
I'm
you.
not afraid, but I'm not going to provide my ID because I know the law.
No problem.
And I'm happy that this is happening because I didn't want that to happen to her.
Okay.
But,
On August 16th, 2023, a Dollar General store manager in Seminole County, Florida, was arrested for felony grand theft. But the case turned on something that happened before police even walked through the door. The store manager diverted cash deposits, money that was supposed to go to the bank, every day into her own pocket. 4 deposits, somewhere between $10,000 and $13,000. She admitted it. That part is not in dispute. What is in dispute is whether that admission was free and voluntary, or whether it was extracted under a false promise. Before police arrived, the district manager told her that if she cooperated and agreed to repay the money, she would not go to jail. She believed him. She wrote a full confession. Then the officer showed up. The Fifth Amendment guarantees that no person shall be compelled to be a witness against themselves. The Supreme Court in Miranda v. Arizona held that before any custodial interrogation, an officer must advise a suspect of 4 rights: the right to remain silent, the right to know that anything said can be used in court, the right to an attorney, and the right to appointed counsel. None of that happened before the loss prevention interview. Loss prevention is not law enforcement. Miranda does not apply to them. But the confession they obtained still goes through a voluntariness analysis under the totality of the circumstances. The Supreme Court in Colorado v. Connolly established that a confession requires police coercion to be suppressed on Fifth Amendment grounds. A private party making false promises is not, by itself, enough to trigger suppression under federal constitutional law. That sounds technical. Here is what it means in practice. The defense could argue coercion, but the bar is high. The officer understood this distinction immediately. He recognized that the pre-Miranda statement was legally compromised. His response was direct. He told loss prevention that he would not use their statement in his investigation. He said it plainly. He was not going to trample her civil rights, because somebody else already had. He then administered a complete Miranda warning, obtained a knowing and voluntary waiver, and conducted his own interrogation from scratch. The subject waived her rights and spoke. She admitted to withholding the deposits. She gave her own account of the amounts. Under Florida Statute 812.014, theft of property valued between $750 and $20,000 is grand theft in the 3rd degree a felony. Her own estimate put the total around $10,000. That clears the felony threshold regardless of which side's accounting you believe. The officer had no discretion here. Under Florida law, a felony requires a physical arrest, not a court date notice, not a citation. When the district manager was asked to provide identification for documentation, he declined. He said he had not committed a crime. He was right. Florida Statute 856.021 requires identification only from persons lawfully stopped. Miguel was not stopped. He was there voluntarily, as a company representative. The officer noted the refusal and moved on. That was the correct call. Forcing ID from a voluntary witness who declines would have been a Fourth Amendment violation.
Please take me back door or something.
I'm sorry.
Can you take me out the back door if you don't put me in handcuffs? Please. They can walk, I don't care. I've been here 2 years. Please, I don't know.
Yeah, just relax for a second. We're not quite there yet.
There's a voice in the camera?
No.
It was all him when he said to me right under the camera right here.
I'm sure
in
he's
jail.
I'm sure he's telling the truth.
So, like this officer said, regardless
I know,
of
I get
what
it.
took place, the crime
I
took
know,
place.
I get it.
So we can't get around
I
that.
know.
So, a lot of times, people can choose not to prosecute at first and then change their mind.
Can you
That's-
tell me if I
You know what I mean?
See,
I
I
don't
only,
know what
I only acknowledge the 1500 and the other 22 and 22. That's it. It's not this other one. It's just the last one. And the
Yeah.
and the 222s.
So yeah, like this one and the 222s.
Yeah, it's a 22 and 22.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. The other ones, no, I dropped them off there.
Okay. Well, the amounts that the charges go is anything over 5,000, between 5 and 20,000 is like the same charge. So whether it's 6,000 or 10,000,
Right.
it'll be like the same bond.
And now it's not going to be almost Castle Schmidt.
Central Elevator, 108 Garrison Drive, Temple, moving of Phoenix, Penelope. Reference hasn't heard single free threes as of where they are.
I haven't done a second degree misdemeanor in a while. First one is like 3. I'll say between 5,000 to 6,000. I'm not 100% sure.
Like $500 cash then?
Yeah, like if you do like 10% bond.
Right, right. Can I call my daughter, please? Because nobody knows anything. She's going to be the one that's getting me out. Can I talk to her? You have to.
Yeah, just leave it on speaker.
I'll turn it up inside.
Yeah.
Hey, Tori. Can you hear me?
Are you okay?
No, what jail? Don't worry, don't tell nobody, but I gave Jen my debit card at work, so you can show her, call her on Facebook.
What?
They're taking me to jail, so if you could bail me out.
Why are they taking you to jail?
'Cause of deposits. But, I mean, I didn't go yet, so I don't know how long it's gonna be, but what does she have to do? Hey,
What
Kyrie.
deposits? What are you talking about?
At work. I'll tell you later, but what does she have to do? The police officer's right here, you're on speakerphone. Hey, Kyrie.
When they're ready to,
Sorry, my grandson.
when they're ready to
Alright, puppy, hold on.
Hey, Kyrie.
bond you out, they will allow you to make a phone call.
Jen at work.
And,
Okay. They said when you come bum me out later on tonight, I don't know how it's gonna be. I guess you just have to look online.
Are you fucking stealing money, bro?
Can't rip back 1411. Call advised that the homeowner should be the mother.
Oh, my grandson loves me. Sorry. Kyrie, it's okay. I'm right here. Hey, Kai. Hey. Hey, so how does she look it up?
no, you or someone will call her when you're ready to go, and
Alright. I'll call you when I'm ready to go. It could be a couple hours. It's a 386 number though. It's okay.
yeah.
Okay. I'll call you when everything's ready. And yes, I'll explain to you later. This is embarrassing enough. So, Tori, for my one card that Jen has, the Amscot one, the $900 one, you have to go to Wells Fargo, and you can only take out $300 at a time. So you have to do 3 transactions for $300.
Alright.
So,
I don't know if I can take off today. I'm gonna get in trouble with work.
yeah, don't tell nobody else.
I'm not telling anybody. Wait, Seminole County?
Yeah, it's gonna be the one on Bush Boulevard. Yeah, it's on Bush Boulevard. So, can you write this down? The Amscot card. It's,
Yeah, hold on a second.
You have to go to a Wells Fargo though, because they only let you take out a certain amount a
If you
day.
needed help with money, bro, you should have just asked me. Like,
Yeah, I heard enough.
yeah, this is ridiculous.
I know.
This isn't a joke. You're not. If you needed help, why didn't you
I
just
know.
ask me?
Alright, I have to go to
instead
the
of
police
doing
right
that?
here.
Hello?
I know. Alright, I'll call you. What, you think a couple hours?
Could
Maybe
be
a couple
slightly
hours.
more than that.
More
It's
than
not,
that.
that's up to, I don't know what their process is.
They have you in front of the store, like they won't put you in the office or anything?
They're waiting for the lady to come. I asked him to take me out the side door, but I don't know. He said he's not gonna put me in handcuffs. Yeah. But Jenna Tori, you're friends with Jenna on Facebook, right? So you can call her. Jennifer.
How long is she gonna be there for?
She works till 2:30.
What time?
You gave her my cards, right? She gave her my cards.
She did.
Yeah.
What's her phone?
So don't tell her anything.
What does she think you're going to jail for?
I don't know. She doesn't know anything. They didn't really tell her. They just gave her my cards. I haven't talked to her. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna let you go.
You've been going to the bank every day. Was it you or was it somebody else?
No. It's fine. I'll talk to you later. I know you can't call out of work. I mean, do they let you get out past 10:30 at night? Because she gets up at 10:30.
I'm sorry, what was the question?
I can get out past 10:30 at night.
Yeah, you can get out 24/7.
Yeah, well, you don't have to leave work early if you don't have to, Tori. If you just wait till you get off of work. Don't call Alan either.
The bonds then? The bonds?
Yeah.
I have to go to a bonds person, right? I'm not good with this
I
stuff.
think so.
I don't know.
I think so. Yes, he said. Yeah, you just have to search for bonds people and then give them my name, but I haven't been there yet, so it'll be a couple hours. Please don't tell Alan and nobody else yet.
Well,
I'll tell myself.
Jesus, if you needed help with something, you should have told me.
All right.
I would have helped you.
Yeah.
You could have came and lived with me. I already told you that stuff.
I know. All right.
I don't care. Get mad all you want. Like, this isn't a game. It's going to be on your freaking record. You know how hard it is to find a job now?
And Miguel told me that he wasn't good. He goes, you're not going to get arrested. Alright, I'm going to go because he's letting me use the phone I'm not supposed to. Alright, don't tell nobody, please. Love you. Bye. Leave the door open. I don't have to get dressed, do I?
No.
Oh, okay.
Stand up.
Favor back to 2 blackmail subjects,
I'm
one
gonna pull
last
your
thing
bra
wearing
out.
all red
This one
clothing
out.
on foot,
This
and
one.
one last thing wearing all black clothing.
This is the thing of my bra.
Load your backpack, turn to the bicycle.
One of the priorities from this morning.
Okay, Kiki, for that issue.
By the car.
Yeah.
Just go that way.
Yeah. I'm fine. Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry. We'll do it quickly so that people don't have to be looky-looing. Let's get it done.
Most people are female.
Sorry. It's just part of the deal, you know. So, first of all, she made an allegation that she was coerced into a statement because they promised her no ramifications, and then, asked the supervising manager, for his information. He does not want to comply. He's not under any charges, so I'm not going to force him to. I'm just going to notate that. When I asked him, he said yes, that he made that statement, thinking, and he's claiming that the loss prevention lady lied to him as well. Whatever the case may be, if he's not going to cooperate and provide a statement, then I can't prove any of that.
We're not using any of that.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we definitely should notate, though, that she made the statement, I'll put my supplement in if you want me to do it, Okay.
Now for the grades. The responding officer gets an A-. The Miranda advisement was complete, accurate, and properly timed. He identified the coercion issue instantly. Excluding that statement reflects legal competence beyond what most patrol officers demonstrate. He treated the subject with dignity. Backdoor exit. Supervised phone call. No unnecessary escalation. The subject gets a C+. She cooperated with officers and did not resist. Those are genuine credits. But she confessed in full to a corporate investigator without a lawyer present before police arrived, based on a promise she should have questioned. Then she waived Miranda and admitted everything again. By that point, her options were narrow. The loss prevention investigator gets a D. She gathered the evidence. That part worked. Everything else was a legal problem. She allowed Miguel to speak with the subject alone, no witness, no documentation. That conversation is now the center of the legal dispute. Corporate investigators have no authority over prosecution decisions. Making or implying promises about jail is outside their role entirely. The district manager, Miguel, gets a B-. He was honest. When the officer directly asked whether he had made that statement, he acknowledged he had implied cooperation might prevent prosecution. That honesty mattered. It also confirmed the coercion allegation. His refusal to provide ID was legally defensible, but his decision to speak with the subject alone during an active investigation was not. 1 count of felony grand theft, 60 months probation, 75 hours community service, no prison time, $10,356 in restitution, anti-theft course, vital living skills course, required. The lesson from this case is simple. Corporate loss prevention and law enforcement operate under completely different legal frameworks. A loss prevention officer can investigate, document, and detain on, store property, but they cannot negotiate criminal outcomes. When those lines blur, the entire investigation is at risk. The officer here caught it in time. That will not always be the case. Let us know which police interactions or legal topics you want us to cover next. Thank you for watching.